Good afternoon to all. Hope you are all fine. Listen carefully. See, we have been knowing and studying to change from direct speech to indirect speech. Now, let us learn how to change from indirect speech to direct speech. See, it is very easy to change from direct speech to indirect speech. But it's not so much that much easy to change from indirect speech to direct speech. Provided you listen carefully, you will do well. Definitely will do well. Listen me carefully. Now, just listen to me carefully. We are going to learn about indirect speeches to direct speech. That is, we are going to learn from changing from indirect speech to direct speech. Okay, just listen to me carefully. Okay, now let's go to the first one. Assertive. Changing from indirect to direct speech. Okay, just listen to me carefully. See, we have already known many of the sentences that are changed from direct to indirect speech. Now we study about from indirect to direct. Now let's see. Amaya told. Kajesh that she was ill yesterday, the previous day. Yes, please listen me carefully. Kamala told Kajesh that she was ill the previous day. Now let's try to change. Kamala will be the same. Okay. Kamala. What is that? Told will become said to. To change into direct speech, it will become said to Kajesh. Comma, open quotation. You will have to put comma and open quotation clearly. Okay? Remove that. This is a convention that has to be removed. She refers to whom? Kamala. So what will come there? I. When Kamala was telling to Kajesh, what would have been the matter? When she is directly saying to Kajesh, what will happen? She would have told I. Clear? Please watch right from the beginning. So I was. What is the tense? Past tense. Simple past tense. What it should have become. See, we have studied to change the tense from present to past. When we are changing from direct to indirect speech. That was past form. Here it should have to appear as simple present. And what is the simple present form for was? Am is. So for I am. Is useful for he, she, it. Clear? Okay. I am. You. The previous day. What it will become? When we are changing from direct to indirect, yesterday will become the previous day. Now the previous day will have to become yesterday. I am ill yesterday. Yesterday cannot come. Say for example, Let's change that day. Let us change that day. So what will come? That day. Here it can come. That day will become today. That day I am in today. Okay? Just for your convenience sake I have changed. Even the previous day comes, it has to be changed as yesterday. Okay? This is the reality thing. But you can't forget, listen me carefully. Speaker, listener, this is a reporter speech. Whereas this area, after that conjunction starts, that this would have been what? Reporting speech. Now listen me carefully. Listen me. That a reporting speech should become in inverted commas while we are changing into direct speech. And the reporter speech will be the same, but the told will become ordinarily said to. Said to. Okay. This is the thing that has to be done. Listen me. Again and again I am telling you, there should be comma, there should be open quotation and then closer quotation and then full stop. Again, let's see one more sentence. Okay? Now, this is number 1. Okay? You go to the 2. Sahai. Sahai may refer to lady. Okay? Sahai words. Okay? Said to, told, ma. That he had met her uncle yesterday. Now listen, this yesterday can be changed. This yesterday can be changed easily. Now listen me. Now, Saharas just will be the same. Told will have to become what? Subject to. Okay? Ma. Kuma will be the same. There is no change. That will have to be removed because that is the conjunction. That is the conjunction that has to be removed. He refers to whom? Sahara. So, he should become I. When we are changing, listen, Sahara was talking to Uma. So, Sahara will be the same. Now, when he directly talks to Uma, that he will have to become as I. Say, in the place of joiner, you put comma and then open quotation. Okay? So, I should remain in capital letter. So, I. What tense has been used? Past perfect tense has been used. And when there was a past perfect tense, it should have to become what? Present perfect. It should become present perfect. One more chance is there. When there was a past perfect, one chance is present perfect, another is simple past. Simple past also can be applied, doesn't matter. But what we have to become, we have to become from past perfect to present perfect. So for present perfect, what is the rule? Have plus past participle form of the verb. So I have met. Met is the past participle form of the verb. The same. I have met. Her. Her refers to Uma. When Sayaraj is talking to Uma, what will happen? When he directly saying that her will become your. Okay, so I have met your uncle yesterday. What is it? Yesterday. Yesterday will become what? The previous day. The last sentence we had seen yesterday. Instead of yesterday, we had put that day. That became today. Now, yesterday will become the previous day. The previous day. Listen me. It's very easy, provided we are understanding. No, here it should not come. Here it should not come. Here it has to. Inverted comma must have to come in direct speech. Let us see. Just listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. This is what we have seen is from, it's a type of assertive. Assertive, nothing but affirmative. It is nothing but affirmative. Affirmative is nothing but, it is an ordinary sentence. It's an ordinary sentence or affirmative or assertive. It is an ordinary sentence. Say for example, without there is no question mark or exclamatory mark. So likewise, listen carefully. That's what is in our mind. Assertive type. Listen to me carefully. See, first we have seen assertive type or affirmative type or ordinary type. Now we are going to see question type, that is interrogative type. In interrogative type, we have got two types. One is WH type questions and another one is verbal type of questions. Just kindly listen me carefully. Now, let's get into interrogative type. Second one, interrogative. Please just listen me carefully, dear student. The last we have seen what mere assertive or ordinary type of sentence or affirmative. Now we are going to see about interrogative question type of sentence we are going to change. Now listen to me. Please listen me again. Listen me again. See, Mohan asked Kavita why she had not attended the class previous day. Let's try to see what are all the changes that are going to be made here. Now listen. Listen carefully. Mohan. Okay, Mohan. Asked will become subject to. Okay, Kavita. Now, listen to me. Why? See, this is a joining letter. This is a joining conjunction. That has to be separated. Up to this reporter speech. Here it is reporting speech. So, reporter speech. Okay. It is reporters. கேட்கிறவர்களுடைய பகுதி அது. இது பேசப்பட்ட பகுதி. Reported speech. Now, listen me carefully. Comma, open quotation. Why? WH type of question. Why? Okay, this is the starting word. Why? Okay, why? She has not attended. She refers to whom? Kavita. So, what will become when Mohan has asked, it was standing as she. In indirect speech, she refers to whom? Kavita. Now, listen me. When Mohan is saying again to Kavita that she is changed for you. See, when I come, when Mohan is directly telling to Kavita, you will, in indirect speech, they have changed as a she. Okay. Now, she will become you. Please understand, in case you don't understand, you can call me and ask me. I will explain you. See, now this is an ordinary type. We have to split into two verbs and bring the subject in between. Had not. What is had? Had not. You split the verb into two. Had not plus attended. Okay, had not attended or had plus not attended. Both are okay. Say for example like this, you give had plus not attended. Okay. Now you bring in the place of separation, you bring the subject you. So had you not attended. What is the tense? Past perfect. Past perfect should become present perfect. But then what will become? Have. Okay, have you not attended? So now our response, our answer is why have you not attended? Clear? You understand me now? Attended the class. The class. Previous day, yesterday. Can you understand me? In case, even if you have not understood still, you can ask me. I hope I will explain you properly. Don't worry. Now, you just bring here Mohan said it Kavita. The same. Okay. Why have we not attended the class yesterday? And closer quotation will have to come. Closer quotation will start. Okay. Now this is our answer. Now let's go and try one more. Now, fourth point. Listen me carefully. Kamalesh asked Raji, okay, where did he go last night? Let's change into direct speech. Now, Kamalesh will be the same now. Kamalesh. Okay. Asked will become said into. Okay. Raji. What will become? Comma, open quotation. Because there is a word conjunction. Where. So where will be the same. There is no change. But it must appear in capital letter. W must appear in capital letter. Did you go? Change it to an ordinary type. Where you went last night. Here it has to come where you went last night. Where you went last night. Now just listen to me. Where you went now. You refers to Raji. That will become she. No? When she is directly where she went. Excuse me. Kindly listen. Where she went. Where she went last night. So she will have to be changed as you. Why not? Listen me carefully. Raji. Kamalesh asked Raji. Listen me carefully. Up to back, okay. She went last night now. Listen. She refers to Raji. Then she must be changed as you. Okay. Now we have to make question type. We have to create question. Now what we need? Separate the verb. Separate what? But how will you separate went? Did plus did plus go. Okay? So did plus go. In the place of separation, you bring the subject. So did you go? Okay? Now listen. This is in simple past. In indirect speech, past tense has come, but has to come in direct speech, simple present. Simple present will have to come. So, did will become what? Do. Plus do you go. Okay? Do you go? Listen. Suppose if this person stands in third person. Now listen me carefully. Since we are in the you stands in second person singular or plural. Second person singular only here. In case that in the place of you, third person singular comes, what will happen? This will not be separated into do, but it has to be represented by does. Does he? Third person singular. He, she, it. Then does will have. Okay? Please listen me carefully. That's enough. Now just come here. Back. Okay? She went. Now you. It has to be changed. Went is separated into did you go. That present simple part will have to become simple present. So, where do you go? Last night, what will become last night? Tonight. Last night will become tonight. Tonight. Tonight means today night. Tonight. Tonight. What is that? Question mark? Closer quotation. Again I tell you, listen me carefully. Kamalesh asked will become sent to Raji. Where? That is a conjunction. Comma over quotation has to be open. Where W should stay in capital letter. She went. It's an ordinary type of sentence. Went has to be separated into two. Did plus go. In the place of separation, we must bring the subject. That is, she will become you. So, did you go? But when we are changing from direct to indirect, it was changed in simple part. When it is changed to be into simple present, that should go with the simple present tense. So, did plus go will become do plus go. So, do plus go. In the place of separation, do. In the place of separation, you must come. Do you go? But again I repeat to say, did plus go we had already separated. In the place of separation, you should come. Okay? Now, did you go is correct one. Whereas, it was staying in indirect speech. Now we are changing it to direct speech. So, past, simple past will have to become simple present. So, did will become do. Do you go? Suppose third person singular is coming there. What will happen? Does he go? Or does he go? Or does she go? So, likewise will have to come. Okay, this is for our example and for our understanding. Okay. Now, have you understood me properly? In case if you have not still understood, please ask me. I am ready to explain you still more, even through my individual call. Okay? Shall we do that? Okay, continue. Thank you. Now listen me. We have seen assertive type and we have seen interrogative type. In assertive type, it's very easy to change from indirect to direct. And in the interrogative, some difficulty is there. Doesn't matter if you understand properly. In case you don't understand me still more, please ask me.
I will be able to
explain you clearly. One more thing I would like to tell you, kindly watch video properly, so that you will be able to write the test properly. Really, some of you are really watching properly. Say for an example, some of the students I want to mention, maybe Avarna, Sona, then Bhairavi, and then Raja Karthikeyan. There are some superflow students, they are really watching. The others know, neither bother about what is going on in the video. They just switch on and then go elsewhere. And when they come for the test, and you know, God alone should have accepted your way of writing test. Never copy, never copy, never copy. Please, kindly try to understand and ask me if you have got any doubt. I'll be able to explain you properly. Thank you. Please kindly watch. Thank you and bye. Bye.